Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add Collaborator in Instagram Story. Instagram Story collaboration guide for you. So, if you want to, or if you not want to tag person, you want to make it special, you can add Collaborator. So here you can try to create your story first. Here you can try to share it after you create your story. And after your story is posted, you can tap three dots at the bottom of your screen. Here you can try to add mentions. Here we go. People added here will be mentioned in your story, but their username will not be visible. You can add. Now it's done. And also you can add Collaborator on your feed, on your Instagram post. So after you create your decide what which photo that you want to post, you can try to add music, for example, or try to edit the picture, or add music. Then tap next. You can write the caption, add location, and here we go. You can tap on tag people. Then you can invite collaborators. Here, if they accept, your post will be shared with their followers. So you can choose which person that you want to collab. Here, after you tap person that you want to collab, again you can try to change here. For example, if they accept, your post will be shared with their followers and they will be shown as author of the post. So you can save it and then you can share. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.